I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for inorganic chemistry. Begin by building a strong foundation in core concepts such as atomic structure, electron configurations, and various bonding theories. Grasping these basics is crucial for understanding more complex topics later on. Pay close attention to periodic trends, as they provide a framework for predicting chemical behavior. Don't just memorize, strive to understand the why behind each principle. Active learning is key to success in inorganic chemistry. Don't just read your notes, actively engage with the material. Work through a wide variety of practice problems, aiming for at least 10 to 15 problems per topic. Drawing out molecular structures and reaction mechanisms helps visualize complex ideas. Try explaining difficult concepts to a friend or even to yourself. This process reveals gaps in your knowledge. Make the most of all available resources. Attending every lecture and actively participating in discussion sections can clarify difficult points and provide valuable insights. Forming a study group allows you to collaborate with peers, explaining concepts to each other, and tackling complex problems together. Regularly review past exams and quizzes. This helps you understand common question types and pinpoint areas needing more attention. To truly excel, connect new information with what you already know, building a comprehensive mental map of the subject. Flashcards are excellent for memorizing essential definitions, formulas, and reaction types, especially for quick review sessions. Remember to take breaks and stay hydrated throughout your study sessions. For a great way to keep your water handy, check out the Owala water bottle link and other deals in the description below. Staying refreshed helps maintain focus and energy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.